Gross profit percentage information on the Jazzit Financial Statements. In this video we'll be taking a look at the options available for controlling the presentation of the gross profit percentage information on the Jazzit Financial Statements. These options differ between the 2-column and the 9-column frameworks, and we'll be looking at the options available in both versions of the income statement and also the 2-column and 9-column versions of the insertable income statement schedules. We'll start by looking at the options available in the 2-column income statement, the IS module. To access the options, open the Statement folder at the top of the income statement. Here we see two options related to the gross profit percentage wording. Firstly, this option, currently set to Show. Clicking on this drop-down allows you to either show or hide the wording on the face of the income statement. And to adjust the number of decimals displayed, click this button, which opens the Case View Cell Group Edit window, where you can make your selection, and click OK to apply. Options are also available on the actual line where the wording is displayed. So, moving down to the end of the cost of goods sold area, or immediately above the expenses section, we can right-click anywhere on this line to access the options, where we can choose to show or hide the wording by checking or unchecking this line, or select this option to access the Cell Group Edit window and adjust the number of decimals displayed. When using the 9-column income statement, the IS2 module, the options at the top of the income statement are slightly different because of this extra folder icon for accessing the column options. Opening the Statement folder, we see the income statement options in general are different to those at the top of the 2-column income statement. But the options for gross profit percentage are similar, the only difference being the added words current year, prior year total. This indicates the option is only available while using just the 2 total columns of the 9-column format. If we were to add any additional columns, for example 3 columns for a 3-year comparative, these options are no longer available. This is because of the limited space available due to the use of the multiple column framework. Moving down to the line where the wording is displayed, the options on this line are available via a right-click menu. By right-clicking on the line, we have the option to display the wording on a separate line. When selecting this option, the percentage information is displayed below the gross profit on a separate line. On the 2-column income statement schedules, the SC1 schedules, the options are available in this folder at the top, except that there it's labeled Schedule, not Statement. Opening the folder, we see the options are the same, either show or hide the wording, and also set the number of decimal places displayed. And, down where the gross profit is displayed, by right-clicking on the line, we have the same options as we had on the 2-column income statement earlier, to show or hide the wording, and also to adjust the number of decimals displayed. When using the 2-column income statement schedules in the 2-column financial statements, you can switch on the percentage columns for both the income statement and the schedules using the column options available in the Home menu. When these percentage columns are enabled, this schedule folder at the top of the schedule includes these additional percentage options. To enable these percentage columns, select Columns from the Home menu options, and then select either both years with percentage column or current year with percentage column. On the 9-column income statement schedules, the SC6 module, when using only the 2 total columns, the gross profit percentage options are available in the same Schedule folder. Opening the folder, both the options are exactly the same as they are on the 2-column schedules, and the right-click options on the gross profit line are similar to the options on the 2-column schedules, except for this additional option, Show Percentage on Separate Row. This allows you to present the percentage information immediately below the gross profit amounts. Like this. When using multiple columns in the 9-column schedule, as in this example where we are using 3 columns, the options available in the Schedules folder do not include the gross profit percentage options. But by right-clicking on the gross profit line, we have the opportunity to show the gross profit percentage on a separate line, below gross profit. Like this. The percentage columns on the 9-column schedules are available when using the 2 total columns only. You can activate them by opening the Columns folder and then using this Percentage Columns Options button to select Yes, which enables these percentage columns. Scrolling down just a little, we see these additional percentage options that are available. These are only available when using just the 2 total columns. If you were to enable any of the additional columns between 1 and 7, these percentage columns would automatically be disabled. Let's quickly take a look at what we just learned. In this video we took a look at the options available for controlling the presentation of the gross profit percentage information on the income statement in the Jazzit Financial Statements. These options differ between the 2-column framework using the IS module and the 9-column framework using the IS2 module, and also between the 2-column and 9-column schedules, the SE1 and the SE6 modules. Caseware should be easy. To find out how, visit us at jazzit.com.